Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10, 6th lesson, triangles lesson. Very important theorem. What is the theorem name? Angle, similarity criteria. This is the theorem 6.3. This is very important theorem. Let's start. Okay, see here. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional. Then hence two triangles are similar. We have to prove. This is the theorem name. Okay. See here. What is the meaning of this theorem? First we will learn. See here. If two triangles are there, what are the two triangles? ABC triangle, DEF. Two triangles are there. These two triangles corresponding angles are equal. Is there? Equal meaning what? Angle A is equal to angle D. B corresponding E. B is equal to E. C corresponding F. C is equal to F. Okay. Now we will prove their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. We have to prove. Same ratio means it is a proportional. We have to prove. Proportional meaning what? Finally what we have to prove? AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. You have to prove. This is the final proof. This one, let's start. See here, theorem is there means we will write given to prove, construction and proof. Given meaning what? What is there in the question? That is only given. What is there in the question? Two triangles are there. What are the triangles? ABC triangle and DEF triangle. Again, what is given in the question? Corresponding angles are equally given. Equal given means what we will write? Angle A is equal to angle D we will write. Angle B is equal to angle E we will write. Angle C is equal to angle F. So angle C is equal to angle F. We have to write only this much is the common. Two triangles are there, ABC and DEF. Their corresponding angles are equal. We have to write. Next to prove. What we have to prove? Their corresponding sides are proportional. We have to prove. What we have to prove? Write it. AB by DE equal to BC by EF. Next, AC by DF. So AC by DF. This one we have to prove. Now we have to draw a construction. What is the construction is there? Cut DP. DP how to cut means AB how much length is there. Now we have to cut DP same length. Next AC how much is there. Now we will take here same measurement. Here I am taking the Q name. Again we are joining P and Q. This is the construction. DP it is equal to AB. DQ it is equal to AC. Now you join the PQ. This is the construction. Next we will do the proof. What is the proof is there? Very important. Carefully listen. Step by step I will explain. Carefully see here. Here two triangles are there. What is the triangle? Now we are taking proof. What we are taking? This triangle we are taking. Carefully listen. Triangle ABC I am taking. Again triangle DPQ I am taking. Okay. See here. What is there in the question? See here. This angle equal to this angle given. And this angle equal to this angle given. And this angle C equal to angle F is given in the question only. So now we are taking this triangle and this triangle. So now see here. AB measurement to DP measurement both are same. Okay. Now you can write here AB equal to DP. AB equal to DP. What is the reason? Construction. By construction, both are equal. AB equal to DP, both are equal by construction. Next, angle A equal to angle D. What is the reason these both are equal? What is the reason? Is given in the question only. Okay? Is given in the question only. Next, AC equal to DQ. AC equal to DQ. Both are equal. Why? Construction. Okay, by construction. So this is by construction. This is given. This is the construction. So these side postulate to these two triangles are congruent triangles. Okay. So triangle ABC congruent triangle ABC congruent. This is the symbol congruent symbol. Triangle ABC congruent, triangle DPQ. Both are congruent. What is the reason? Side, angle, side postulate. Okay, criteria or postulate, anyone write. Side, angle, side postulate to these two triangles are congruent. Okay, See here, side, angle, side postulate to these two are congruent. Write it. This is the side, this is the angle, this is the side. Side, angle, side postulate to these two triangles are congruent. Now, again you observe here. See here, this after you try to understand. Angle B is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle P. These both angles are equal. Why means now only we proved these two are congruent triangle. So angle B is equal to angle P. Why? CPCT, by using CPCT. So congruent triangle proved means corresponding parts also equal only. So CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So angle B is equal to angle P. What is the reason? By CPCT. Next, angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Why? E is given in the question. Okay. Now you take this first equation. This is the second equation. Angle B is equal to angle P. By CPCT, angle B is equal to angle E. E is given in the question. So now we have to prove these two are parallel. Parallel proof means these two are which angles? Corresponding angles means these two are the parallel. It will become a parallel. Parallel came means we can use the BPT theorem. That's why we are taking this one. So angle B is equal to angle P. By CPCT, angle B is equal to angle E by given in the question. From 1 and 2, you observe equation 1 and 2. See here, B equal to B means angle P is equal to angle E. See here, left hand side equal means automatically right hand side equal. So from 1 and 2 you can write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 what is there? This left hand side equal is there. So automatically right hand side equal. Angle P is equal to angle E. These angles are equal came. Equal came means PQ and EF are the parallel. See here, I will explain here. Two parallel lines is there. So these two are corresponding angles are equal came means these lines are the parallel. Parallel is there means corresponding angles are equal. These all you learnt in 9th standard. So these two corresponding angles are equal. So this meaning what? These two are the parallel lines. Okay. So here sentence everything I given. Angle P is equal to angle P is equal to angle E. What is the reason? Corresponding angles. So you can write PQ is equal to EF. Sorry, PQ parallel to EF. Now angle P is equal to angle E came. So these two which angles are corresponding angles. So now PQ parallel to EF. PQ parallel to EF. Up to here you clear, I think. These two corresponding angles. So this one parallel to this one. So up to here you step by step sentence is there. PQ parallel to EF. Now in triangle, up to here carefully listen. In triangle, see here. Now we will take in triangle DEF. In triangle DEF. In triangle DEF, PQ parallel to EF. PQ parallel to EF. PQ parallel to EF is there means their corresponding sides are the proportional. Why? BPT theorem. By using BPT theorem, one side parallel is there means remaining two sides are the proportional. So now this one proportional means what? PD by P. DP by P. DQ by QF. This is the proportional. But now we will take this proportional corollary. I will take corollary meaning what? This one by this one taking is a corollary. This one by this one taking is a corollary. Small part by big part. Small part by big part. This is the corollary. This one is a corollary. See here, this one by this one is a BPT. This one by this one is a BPT. But small part by big part taking is a corollary. So here I will take the corollary. What is the corollary is that? See here. I will see here. Corollary means what? DP. Try to understand. DP by I am taking DE. DP by DE I am taking. Okay. It is equal to next part. DQ by I am taking DF. DQ by DF. Okay. This is the corollary. Corollary taking after this DP place I am taking AB. Okay, we can take DP plus, why means these both are congruent triangle, already we proved. This side how much is there now, this side also same is there. So this DP plus I am writing AB. AB by, same this one you take already, DE. Next, this DQ is this DQ plus I am taking AC. AC equal to same I am taking this as it is I will take. AC equal to DF. This is the proof. Okay, see here, you observe what is the proof is there. Carefully see here. In this one, proof AB by DE equal to AC by DF. This first one, last one keep. This middle one want. AB by DE equal to, you observe, this first one AB by DE, last one AC by DF. These two answers came, but middle answer you want. This middle answer you want means, again this much time I explained, no, those all procedure we have to do. How to do? This PQ parallel is there, no? We are taking EF. Now we will take this PQ parallel, we will take this side parallel we are taking, means we will get this all procedure, means we will get BC is equal to EF. But don't need to do again one more time. So here you can write similarly, what you will get? Similarly, AB by DE equal to, now you can write BC by EF. BC by EF. See here why we are writing, reason also write. DP is equal to AB. Reason you can write DP is equal to AB. Next, DQ is equal to DF. DQ is equal to AC. DQ is equal to, here DQ plus AC. DQ is equal to, you are writing AC. You write it. This is the third equation. This is the fourth equation. This is the reason why writing DP plus AB, why writing means reason you can write it. Next, AB by D is equal to BC by EF. This is the third equation. This is the fourth equation. See here, AB by D is equal to CF by DF. Again, AB by D is equal to BC by EF. So this one all proportional. So now you can take from 3 and 4, we can write AB by D equal to BC by EF equal to, next what is there? AC by DF. You can write it. This is the final proof. What is the final proof is there? Means here, AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. This is the final answer. This side, what is there? Similar is there. Proportional. Sides are proportional. We have proved. This is the ends proved. Not understood means, once again you watch it. Again you have any doubt also, comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.